So how we fix a broken screen from a TV? It's easy. You turn on the TV. You see we have this problem here. It's a broken screen. But don't worry, it can be fixed. So first thing, you have to turn it off, unhook the TV. So and you take a cloth, hot water, like that. And smooth. You try to wipe it off, like that, smooth. You don't have to do this in all screen because only the area it has a problem. So you do it slow. Like that. So you have to do that maybe 3-4 times. And after, you will see the result. So I hooked it up again, the TV. Now I see screen is dry, and you turn it off. If it's not be fixed yet, don't worry. So you see, you have this problem again, but don't worry. I will unhook it up again, and you will see how I will fix it. So after I wipe the TV off for 5 times, we still have this, it's broken, the screen is broken. There's another solution that it's a magical solution. You will go crazy, and it's like a miracle. You do this, fix it. Now you have to go to buy a new TV, and you have a new TV. That's the solution. You can fix it. Easy.